What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews. And this time we're going to be looking at the Samsung Galaxy Watch and some cool accessories that you can get to make this look even better. So let's check them out.
For all time's sake.
So the first thing we're going to talk about is this amazing band that I have on here. This is by the company Goseth. Now you can pick up these bands. They come in all different colors. They come in different widths, different sizes, different patterns. So you can go by and check them out. I'm going to drop a link below so you can do that. But these look basically like the original bands with the lines in it. And you get that same nice feel, that silicone feel, that nice grippy feel. When you put this on your arm, it looks good, it looks stylish, and it's going to accent any of the Samsung Galaxy watches. And while we're talking about bands, this band right here is by the company Neways. Now these bands are basically the more premium looking, premium feeling leather type bands. You just open it up and this is what it's going to look like. So you get this nice leather band. It has the same pin system that's built into the original watch. You actually get extra pins in the pack, and you actually get the black clasp on here, and it's going to actually match the bezel that goes around. So 2 pieces only, but nice premium stitching, looks good, feels good in the hands, and this is a strap that I recommend for your Samsung Galaxy watch. In order to put these on, you're just basically going to use this pin system that's hooked onto the back. What I like to do is actually just pull that pin, slide that piece down in there, and then as you let that pin go, it latches in on its own. Once you get it going, that's pretty much it. So you do the exact same thing for the other side. You just latch this side in just like so. Pull that pin, drop it down. Make sure that pin catches on the inside and it slides over. And there you go. Now the band is a little slim. I'm gonna pop it on right quick. And with this being a leather type band, this is basically gonna have to break in on your arm, and you're gonna have to get it a little loose first. And it's gonna give you a little wear on the ends, but it's gonna be a nice premium fit if you wanna go casual and you wanna leave this type of band, the silicone band, behind. You get a nice casual band, and there you go. Everything fits, everything lines up for your Samsung Galaxy watch. Now, as we're talking about this watch, you don't want to hurt that screen. So I recommend the Super Shields glass screen protector. Now, when you pick up one of these, and I'm going to drop the link below so you can check it out, you're going to actually get 3 of these in one. So let me open it up. So I've already installed one because I love to install these as soon as I get it. But you get an installation kit, which is just gonna have some your normal terry cloths and things of that nature, dust wipes. I didn't even open this up because I have tons of this stuff just laying around. But on top of that, you get 3 of these little screens, and screens look just like this. It's just a thin piece of glass, but you're going to be able to put that over your original glass, and it's going to keep it from getting scratched up and broken. So I recommend this because this is probably one of the most recommended on Amazon. But like I said, I've actually tried this and it works. So the glass protector from Super Shields is going to be a great accessory for you to get for this Samsung Galaxy watch. And while we're talking about protection, I have had the Samsung Galaxy S3 Frontier for a while, and the actual bezel will get scratched up on that device. So I found these. These are by the company Ringy. Now these are Bezel Stylings, and you can go online. They have tons of different colors, tons of different patterns, and all you do is basically just open this thing up. If I can get it open, it comes in this little foam packaging, and this is actually what you get. So nothing else is in there, just this little ring, and you can close that back up, and the little ring itself actually has your dial on there already. So you just peel this off, piece of tape, and you just take your dial and you line it up. So this is the 12 o'clock position, and you're just gonna drop that on just like so, making sure that it lines up all the way, and there you go. Everything looks good, everything matches up. Now, you don't necessarily have to put it at that 12 o'clock position just because this rotates all the way around. So eventually it's gonna get back to that 12 o'clock position, but I would like to just line it up from the beginning so that you know exactly where that dial is at all times. So nice, stylish looking, it changes, it gives it a little more accent, gives a little more pop. It's something that you can check out. I'm gonna drop a link below so you can do that for yourself. So there we have it, guys. The actual Goseth band that we have right here. The one that we have from New Ways, the leather band that I have right here with the black clasp on it. The Super Shields glass screen protectors and the Rinky Bezel Styling. Like I said, tons of different colors. Just go by on their website. I'm going to drop links below to all these so you can check them out for yourself. But these are great styling devices that you can pick up for this Samsung Galaxy watch. Now this is the 46mm watch. Now, they also have stylings for the Samsung Galaxy Gear S3 Frontier, as well as these fit the Gear S3 Frontier, the Classic, the Fossil Q, the X-Link, the Galaxy Watch 46 that I have right here. So all these things come for different versions of watches. So just go by and check them out for yourself. Nice looking watch. I really like it. I'm really digging it. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.